Hi guys, it's Larry, and today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to try and step outside of my little box and be a little bit more creative, use a little bit more white space, and let's see how I do. So we are planning for the week of February 19th through the 25th, and I'm going to be using my Happy Planner Glam Girl, and this is what I'm going to use for stickers this week. So again, this is going to be a little bit outside of the box for me because it's not a full kit, but I've chosen to try and use this page here. So obviously it's not as many full boxes. I'm going to use just this one page, plus maybe some functional things, but this is the only page that I plan to use, so not a full kit from anybody. And let's see how I do. I hope you like it. Let's have some fun. Get your drink, get your chair, get your Happy Planner, and let's get the music started and have some fun. Oh my gosh, guys, that's it. I'm done. That was super fast, super easy. I liked that process because it was fast and easy. And I like the way it turned out. It's got a lot of white space. It's simple. I still need to do my functional pieces, which you've probably seen I add in my social media stuff, so I'll still add those in, but I mean there's plenty of room to write and add things in, appointments and whatnot as the week comes up. I did add an extra sticker here, gonna party like it's my birthday, because it is, because the 24th is my birthday. And I will put a link below for the creator of this. These are from, I believe her name is Sky, and I think it's My Life Planners is the name of her website. So I'll put a link below. And Sky, my apologies if I got the name of that wrong, but thank you so much for your artwork. These are free printable stickers that you can find on her website, and I believe also in her Facebook group if you're a member of her Facebook group. So this is it. Again, clean, simple. I like the quote down here, so I wanted to keep that. I knew in advance that I didn't want to use washi because I wanted to keep that. I wanted to keep the pink and the green of the February, so that's why I chose the page that I did. Again, this is the MAMBI Sticker Book. I guess it's just called Stickers, and it's the 1,050 piece set. So out of that page, I still have stickers left. I have a today left. I have goals, and here we go, and I have a couple of flags, but I used everything else. So very simple. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for being here with me. If you like my channel, please make sure and subscribe, ring the bell for notifications. Share my channel if you like it with others. We have around 90 subscribers. Don't forget I have a huge giveaway coming when we hit 100. We're almost there. I cannot believe we are almost there. So thank you again for being here. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a great week, and be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. I will see you in the next video.